Hello and welcome back to the Green Footwear channel. Thank you so much for the support on our last video. We are so excited to get these new styles and leathers rolled out onto your feet and see where the Green journey takes you all over the next few months and years. It's been some time since we last did our custom rack of the week, so today we're going to be visiting the concept again, and we have 3 great pairs to look at. These 3 pairs are featured this week because they make use of our traditional Green leathers from day one. Our Green brown, our Green black, and our Green tan. Although we're having a look at our 3 traditional leathers, these specs have been done up on more recent styles to enter our range. So 30 years down the line, the same leathers applied to our newer styles still produce 3 great looking boots. The first boot we'll be having a look at from our rack is our Barefoot African Ranger in our Green tan material with our anvil sole. Unlike our stock Barefoot African Ranger, this spec has made use of a double lasted composition. This means it will aid in properties such as the water resistance and the overall longevity of the boot. So now, apart from the double lasted spec on this boot, the overall build does remain pretty similar to our stock option. The major difference comes in the leather choice and paired with the white stitch. It just makes this tan full grain leather pop that little bit more on your foot. One of my personal favorites when making use of our tan material is how the leather ages over time. A great example is Woodsman on Instagram. He's been tackling the Scottish Highlands over the last 4 years in his tan Razorbacks, and boy, do they have stories to tell. So we look forward to seeing how this pair ages on our Barefoot spec, and we can't wait to hear the stories to come from where these boots head out on their Green journey ahead. Our second boot today is our AR8 and our Green black leather paired with an EVA and mini lug sole composition. Now, what more could be said about this pair besides the fact that it is one beast of a boot? Making use of our STC last with a composite toe cap, leather midsole, and paired together with our EVA and mini lug sole composition. This pair is made to take a beating and look good while doing so. Now, our mini lug sole rubber is slightly firmer underfoot, but pairing this with the EVA, this is where you'll find your comfort in each step on your journeys out in the bush or out to the office. A nice added feature with this pair was the request for the toe cap design to possess 4 rows of stitching, resembling a similar pattern that we use on our new African Trooper boot. Our third and final custom boot from the rack this week is our Stockman boot in our traditional green brown paired with our frog grip sole. Now, this spec is a very well thought and put together boot that has a very similar resemblance to an RM Williams boot. This pair of Stockmans is made up on our ASHM last. Now, this is a more narrow fit compared to our traditional Green lasts and possesses more of an almond shape around the toe area. This upper spec paired with our frog grip sole will be a real head turner in the office. Now, we're assuming that this customer is looking to kick their boots on and off with ease, so they have also gone for the double leather pull loop at the top of the boot. Wrapping up our Stockman, a real formal looking boot that's definitely going to get this customer from A to Z within their day with no questions asked. A nice side note for our pair of Stockmans over here is that they are heading off to Mauritius. And if we are not mistaken, this could be the first pair of Green boots heading off there, so we wish this customer many happy miles ahead, and we do hope to be sending more boots over to Mauritius in the near future. In wrapping up our 3 pairs from the custom rack of the week, we've got 3 great custom boot specs here using our 3 traditional materials that have been in the range since day one. Combining them with newer styles that have been added to the range, it shows how you can take something old and something new, combine it together, and still get a great timeless product ready to do the job. It's been some time since we did a giveaway on the channel, so we thought today would be a great opportunity to give away a custom pair of Green boots of your choice in one of our 3 traditional materials, whether it be the Green brown, Green black, or Green tan. How to enter the giveaway? All you need to do is simply like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know down below which one of the 3 leathers you'll be choosing and which custom spec you'll be looking to get made up. Just a little side note, please be wary of scammers in the comments. They do like to spoil the fun a little bit with these giveaways and get involved. If you're unsure whether it is Green contacting you, please drop us a message. We are always happy to help. The winners will be announced a week from now, and we look forward to getting the custom pair into the winner's hands and seeing exactly what custom spec they come up with. But until then, enjoy the Green journey, and thank you for tuning in.